Bombok clot.
Hello viewers and subscribers. You don't know so Romain Entertainment, you see me? So I look at student go on, you see me? On the media. We are going on the media, you see me? So a lady like to go buy a car yesterday, you see me? And she say oh she got test it out and thing. So security came and go see one car come up on the road, you see me? And the car come up the road, you see me, and get out of control. You see me? So everybody I wonder if I drunk, the person drunk, the girl drunk, or if the car can drive, if she just learn to drive, or the car get out of control. I saw on the video. See the viewers and subscribers, as you can see, the video I come down from down the road, I come up the road now. You see me? And the car go turn off. You see me? Now I look over open space this one. But I know if I get it out of control or what. You get me I say. Cause what you can see in the video, you know, if you watch closely, you know. You see me? The car turn, you know, and then it turn at the open space, you know. You see me? And it come round, you know. You see me? And then it go round again, and then it go cross right over the side of the fence which part of the van them park up. You see me? But all I can say, I hope that girl when I drive the car, I hope she they in a good shape, you see me? I hope she not really meet up in a bad accident. I hope she not injured bad, you see me, or nothing. You see me? Yes, I got it a little bump up here, but I don't know. I hope she's in a good shape, you know, you see me? Guys, thank you for watching, you see me? I don't know, so Romain Entertainment, see me, you see me? But make sure when you subscribe, leave a like and comment, and also share the channel and the videos, you see me? Yeah man, thank you for watching guys.